The 125 is fully apart. Ordered a whole bunch of parts for it. Probably more than I should have, but it'll be a fun project. We're gonna go ahead and get started with putting some stuff together now. Some of the things that I noticed when taking it apart, as I mentioned in the earlier videos, were the wheels. There was a crack in the rear wheel, and I need to have matching wheels. So instead of just replacing the rear, I'm replacing both the front and rear with new hoops. I'll be using the existing hubs and the existing spokes, but first I gotta take the tires and the tubes and completely disassemble the original wheels and put the new wheels together. So stay tuned, let's see how that goes. So I saw this trick recently that if you leave the wheel on the stand, pick up the tire, and you just kind of throw it at it, it's supposed to work and go on. Let's try it. It worked. I don't believe it. It worked. It worked so well for the back tire. Let's try for the front tire too, okay? Stay with me. You ready? Didn't work. Guess I have to do it the hard way. Here's your reminder to check your suspension bearings. Make sure your linkage doesn't wobble around like this. When your linkage wobbles, there's a good chance your bearings are bad. That is a sign of a dry bearing. So we finished up with the swing arm bearings and bushings, linkage bearings and bushings. We also did new hoops new sprockets, new rotors, new tires for the wheels. Coming up in the next video, we're gonna dig into the motor a little bit and the carburetor. Gotta get the engine running clean. Stay tuned.